हरिओम, श्री राम, अम्बज्ञ, नाथ सवेद, नाथ सवेद, नाथ सवेद. Very, very happy New Year. Very happy New Year. Excellent happy New Year. Okay. So, New Year has started. We are changing every day, little bit, bit by bit, slowly but steadily. We are progressing. Yes, we are. Now you will ask me, Bapu, I was talking about change. I had declared many years back. How many times I must have repeated it. Change is the only constant. But most important thing we should ask to ourselves, or whom you think to be a philosopher of your life, guide of your life, or Mahatma of your life, whosoever that may be, right? What do you mean by change? We never think. We take the words from the dictionary as they are. While we are learning our mother tongue in the house, we accept the words as they are. That time we do not search the dictionary. When we go to the school and start learning some new language, we have to refer to the dictionary. Our teacher tells us the meaning in our own language. This is how we learn. Right? But have anybody seen the meaning of the word change? What is the meaning of the word change? To change is a verb. I'm talking of a noun change, objective change, but the name, noun, verb, I mean, to change. What is the meaning? Any professor of English over here? Yes. Yes, very good. That is correct. What is given in dictionary? I want that. Open here. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick. Most of your Gen Z is here, right? And I am poor aboriginal, right? हमें हिंदी में मराठी में इंग्लिश मत बताओ उसका मीनिंग. मीनिंग इंग्लिश ओनली. यस.
Become different or to make somebody or something different.
He is right. To become different. To become different. To make something different is different, but to make yourself different, to make difference is a change. What is the difference? When you say it doesn't make any difference to me, right? When we are angry, your wife tells you, I will walk out. It doesn't make any difference to me. Actually, you are, then, please go out. Oh, but outwardly you say, no, darling, please. And mind you are telling God, please, let her go, let her go, let her go. That is the change. That is with everyone, and that is the fun of life. Okay? Like in the school, when we were in the school, I used to always think, when I was small, first, second standard, maybe Montessori work, then we used to call it Montessori. And the fellows calling junior KG, senior KG, or now what they call, I don't remember even. I used to just say, hey, why every day is not Sunday? How will I sing? Then I heard my son and daughter asking the same question. And I am hearing my granddaughters and grandson asking the same question. There should be 5 Sundays and only one Monday. I love that. See, generation has changed, right? But the feeling has not changed. It remained the same. What I am trying to tell you, when you are changing, remember, first most important thing, be what you are and then change. Be what you are and change. If you are emotional, remain emotional. If you are kind, remain kind. If you think people are taking wrong advantage of you, bad advantage of you because of your simplicity, okay, forget it. Remain simple only. Don't try to become cunning. Don't try to become over smart. There is no need of becoming over smart or street smart. You are going to be smart. Are you getting? Most of the people insist on changing oneself, changing himself or herself. Aren't you? I'm asking this question. Haven't you tried to change yourself? Those who are honest will raise their hands. Others are dishonest, let me tell you. Everyone tries to change, but nobody wants to accept it. Sometimes we don't realize it. I'm not blaming them, I'm not accusing them. It really happens. But we are trying to change. Somebody might look physical at the physical level. I'm slim here, I'm too thin here. I want to put on some muscles. He starts going to gymnasium, day one, vigorous exercise, comes home, sleeps, next day morning, Mother and father both required to stand and walk even 2 steps. Okay, then he said, I will go for walking. When I buy big price, high price shoes, absolutely quality branded shoes. First day, he uses the shoes, goes for walking, 6 rounds of Shivaji Park. Comes home, next day onwards, his shoes remain in the cupboard. He goes for walking in the dream, nothing happens. He wants to change. And he cannot change. Is the irony of life. Whatever we want to change, we cannot change. I have seen it so many times. Many people think, I cannot speak properly. I cannot correlate things. I cannot relate with people like properly. I cannot vibe with people properly. साला मैं अकेला पड़ जाता हूँ यार चलो बातें करते रहते हैं they chat with each other so properly. What happens with me, I don't know, somehow. I don't have guts only. We come to this conclusion, we don't have guts. Are you going to change your guts? Now that is physically, you cannot change guts because that is intestine. And guts in the real meaning of it. How will you change your guts? You have to change your nerves. Means you have to change your nature. आज स्वभाव दुरधिक्रम भगवान व्यास सत्य है तो स्वभाव है हमारा हम बदल नहीं सकते अरे बाप रे तो प्रॉब्लम हो गया मेरा स्वभाव ऐसा है माय नेचर ऐसा है कि आई गेट एंग्री इजीली आई कैन नॉट चेंज दैट मेरा स्वभाव ऐसा है वी नीड टू चेंज डेफिनेटली व्हाट एवर वी ट्राई टू चेंज वी चेंज समटाइम्स वी डू सक्सीड फॉर सम टाइम आफ्टर सम टाइम अगेन द सेम थिंग्स रिटर्न्स because you are trying to change something which cannot be changed in the way you are changing it. You can change everything about you, but only after remaining what you are. If you are Chalu Chakkar 420, I'm not asking you to remain like that. If you are hard-hearted, I'm not asking you to remain like that. What are you talking? You are always ambiguous. You don't explain anything. No, I will tell you everything, dear. First thing, you have to sit quietly in front of your God and think what I am, how I am. So how will I analyze? I'm not a psychologist, I'm not a psychiatrist, I'm not studying this science. I'm not studying hypnotism. Should I, Babu, should I go to some hypnotist? He hypnotized me, tell me everything. No, please don't do that. You're not required. Just sit in front of his photo and look into his eyes. And remember all the stories which you remember since your childhood. And slowly it will unfold in front of you. Yes, how am I? I tell you, everyone who is sitting over here, most of you might be thinking that you are very smart. I am 420 यार वो दूसरा कितना बोला बाला है मैं बहुत 420 हूँ अरे मैंने एक बार कॉपी किया था, क्या बात है बड़ी इतने, वैसे कॉपी करते जाओ करते जाओ करते जाओ. आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट एट ऑल, नो मीन्स, बट we think that we are bad only. I don't have any good quality at all. I feel but think whatever I do is the best. That is the right. Right, yes. I'm right, always. Right? This homeopathy sitting, staring at me like their rubric. Right, doctor? Okay. But many people do think like that. They are always right. And then he now must be thinking, I always think I'm right is the wrong thing. I'm right is the wrong thing. I'm wrong is also wrong thing. Calling yourself always right is also wrong thing, and calling yourself always wrong is also wrong thing. So what do I call myself? You don't have to call yourself anything. That is what the first thing I want to tell you. You don't have to label yourself. If you label others, it is okay. I don't care. But stop labeling yourself. I am such, I am such, I am such, I am such. Remember, your God has enormous capacities to change you. Believe in that. First have a trust that my God has enormous capacities, infinite capacities, infinite potencies to bring whatever change that is required in my body, my mind, my intellect, my reason, my atma, my soul, my life, my behavior, my patterns, everything. Yes. And as He has the power, if He is going to use it for me, then what am I supposed to do? I am supposed to try to do only one thing. My first thing is doing bhakti, okay? And second important thing, which we must do on the practical ground, okay, that is just try to be kind to yourself. Just to be nice to yourself. Suppose some friend of yours comes with some cup in his hand. Oh, congratulations. You see some girls as boys both, I'm going to. She's properly decked up. Say, oh, what gorgeous, how gorgeous you are looking, ma'am. Okay? Gen Z uses different, but I know, but I'm not going to use that, please. Okay? So, I'm not going to discourage, right? I passed my MD 50 years back, almost, right? So that is a big, big, big leap. What were we talking about? Be kind to yourself. Be compassionate to yourself. Okay? And what I was asking is, have you congratulated yourself many times? Everybody, many people are there. On many channels and here and there and these kathas and this is going on. They tell you, अहंकार बहुत बुरी चीज होती है. Hey, definitely, I agree. I don't say no. Lord Shiva himself has said this. Every saint has said it. It has to be true. ऐसा अहंकार बुरा है, उसे निकालना चाहिए. अहंकार तुम्हारा सबसे बड़ा शत्रु है, उसका विनाश तुम्हें करना चाहिए. ऐसा बोलने से उसका विनाश नहीं होता. ऐसा विनाश हो जाता तो things would have been very easy. But that doesn't happen. So remember first thing, that I want to keep ahankar little. I don't want to destroy ahankar at all. And once I destroy my ahankar, my existence is extinguished, absolutely. I want to have a difference between him and me, whom you are seeing and whom you are. You want to keep a little difference. That तू है मैं हूं. तो तू है मैं हूं. The difference only lost. How will you enjoy his company? Without company, you cannot enjoy. Just think of yourself dancing lonely alone in the desert. How will you feel? Stupid, irritated, despised, sad, depressed. Right? So you need a company. And best company is your God, your Guru, who is your real friend. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
तुम साथ ना हो तो
कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ हो तो तुम साथ हो तो तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता.
बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता. तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता.
बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. बिगड़ा भी बन जाता. Remember this always. तुम साथ हो तो बिगड़ा भी बन जाएगा. So whole change, every type of change will come. Now you will say how? Babu, you are only telling us Siddhantas. Why should we believe you? Where I am asking you to believe me? I am asking you to believe me. I am asking you to believe yourself first. To tell you frankly, honestly, the whole spirituality of this Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, is based only on you and your relation with your God. Whether you are Advaitavadi, Dvaitavadi, Vishishta Advaitavadi, Shuddha Advaitavadi, whatever it is basically your relation with your God. Every day you get up in the morning, you do the same things, At night you sleep in the same way. You get different dreams, maybe. In a day also, some days, few days, there are some changes, some routine changes. Some days are desperate days, some days are compassionate days, some days are beautiful days, some days are happy days, few days are unhappy days, unlucky days, whatever you call. So there is variety definitely. But even starting from the age of 14 to 70, 80, person is always feeling, I should have changed my this habit. I should have changed this. And that is the basic reason of low self-esteem. Low self-esteem. What do you mean by low self-esteem? Mean estimating your value as much of lesser quality. You think that you are not so good. I am not so good here. You have to first live this feeling. I am not so good. थोड़ा है, थोड़े की जरूरत है. थोड़ा है. If I am Bapu's, I cannot be zero. Keep that in mind. Leave aside negative. You cannot be getting negative marks at all. When I take seminars, when I take classes, I give negative marks maximum. Minus 5,000 crore. That is, I give minus 5 trillion marks, right? But that is because I am teaching. If I am coming as an examiner, it used to happen in my medical teaching days. When I used to go for clinics, nobody used to be ready to present cases to me. नहीं यार ये बहुत खड़ूस है. He asked too many questions and tells too many things. I don't want to present a case. Everybody used to attend, wanted to attend. Hundreds of them used to come with her grace. They used to be very happy. Only 10, 15 very intelligent, smart and really smart people. They used to prepare cases and present to me. So there used to be fear. Sir, are they? But on the exam day, we come to the Dr. Aniruddha Joshi, they give an आइला, चल गया, हो गया, काम बन गया. Because I really believe in finding out, when I am taking exam, finding out what you know, not what you don't know. And that is what is true even today. So you cannot have negative marks. I want to know what you know. I want to know what good you have done. I do not want to count or know even what wrong you have done. I am seeing it. I am correcting it. What do you think? You are coming to me, you are taking my name, and I will be sitting quietly. Just Sakshi Bhav. I will not do anything for you. That is your Gadhai Giri. If you are coming to me, say not attending provision, what I mean. You are coming to me, coming for a provision, Pitu, what you want to call it, it's good, best, definitely best, no doubt. If you love me from core of your heart, remember, I am seeing all your faults, all your negative doings, negative vibes, or what wrong things or scenes according to you, what you have done. And you think I will be sitting quiet? No. Remember my words. I will never forsake. That means I am going to take care of that also. I am also trying my best to change you. I will say, Bapu, you are trying, you are not doing. It depends between trying and doing. I am trying because as a father, I am not like my son who is taking my support for every step. He is 1 year old, it is okay. I will pick him up. But afterwards, he should walk on his own feet. He stand on his own feet. That's what I want. So I keep on trying. Right? You get up, stand on your own toes, on your own heels, your own feet, walk. I will be there, give you energy. I will be there to give you support. I will be there to give you energy. So, when I am seeing all this, I am trying because I want to give you support. I want you yourself to change, not change, modify yourself. Use the word modify. Never use the word change. I will change myself. No, I will modify. Change is different and modify is different. So, if somebody is wearing a sari and a husband or mother or grandmother who says somebody tells her, this sari doesn't suit you, this sari, so go and change. So she has to remove that sari and drape herself into a new sari. So removing something that is old and something which is not liked by somebody or you yourself, keep it away and wear something new, have something new, have something different. But if the same mother, same husband, same grandmother wears, a sari is good, you have not worn it properly. Go, make it neat and come out. That is modify. Many times, sari is not suiting or suiting is not a problem. Whether you are wearing it properly or not, whether you are carrying it gracefully or not, that matters. Many girls I see, they want to do fashion. Yes, it is right. And boys, being in the trend, trade trained, in the current air, is normal, is good. I used to have, when I was in college, was without plate trousers. My father used to wear two stripes trousers. I was plateless, or we used to call it trousers. Then came bell bottom. I was wearing bell bottoms. Then elephant bottoms. I was wearing bell bottoms. Then jeans. I had big, what is it called, side locks. Then French beard, big beard. My hair so long. Yes, and I was on my bullet. Taka. अरे जवान हो तो जवान जैसे रहो यार, be young. I don't want to say that doing fashion, doing these things means you are smart. No, not at all. I never consider myself to be smart because of this. I knew I am smart because of her grace. And basically, I was taught by my biological mother not to criticize myself. She told me, don't criticize yourself. You can change. But instead of changing, try to modify it. The change automatically occurs. Many girls, as I'm saying, and boys, go for newer clothes, branded clothes, newer fashions, newer designs. And when they wear it, they are not comfortable. You see the girls I'm talking about. They feel awkward. And then the way they walk, the hum comes. Don't do that. If you want to do fashion, be comfortable to carry it properly. Carry it gracefully. But if you are going for some fashion, some trend, some new design, and if you think really it is good, whatever people think about it, you don't bother. Be comfortable yourself first in that. Honestly, that is what matters the most. If suppose someday you cannot remember right word while you are speaking, or if you have some problem like stammering, stop feeling ashamed. Stop feeling ashamed. No, this is how I am. I will slowly modify my word. I will slowly modify my world. First, modify your world. Select the people who will not laugh at you. Be in their company first. Many people I have seen. I am from Varnak medium, Marathi medium, Shuddha Marathi medium, Dr. Shirokar High School, Parel. I have seen many boys and girls not able to speak proper English, only because of fear of speaking English. And basically what happens is, we think in Marathi or Hindi or Gujarati or Tamil, we translate that into English and want to speak English. That way it is impossible. When we want to change, don't change, modify. Speak broken English. How we speak broken Hindi? My one Gujarati friend told me, આયુર્ભાઈ હિન્દી તો એકદમ સ્પેશિયલ ભાષા છે, એટલી સુંદર છે એના બસ ગુજરાતીમાં વાક્ય બોલજો અહીં પાછળ હાય છું છું બસ થઈ ગયા, છું કે બદલે હાય સો થઈ ગયા છું. At the same time, I was thinking in my own mind, I do the same thing. I speak in Marathi and I put hi at the end. So we are same. And I tell you, basically, we have to remove that fear. How to remove that fear? How to remove that fear? Have you seen any European person speaking Hindi? You must have seen Hindi or Marathi or some Gujarati or some Indian language. Have you seen? No one. Those who have seen her can raise their hands. Only 10-15 people are there, more than, oh God, very good. How they pronounce our language? How many mistakes they do? Are they ashamed? And we are also not criticizing them. We say, this European fellow is speaking my language. We are still in the slavery. What they do is good, great. Or they think is right. Today US is sitting to do Dadagiri Jungle Raj. Go to any nation, kidnap their chief person, kill his security, 400 people, bring him to their nation and punish him. Bastards. That was always a nation of the robbers. They remain robbers. Now they started robbing openly. They took the Iraq same way. I'm not bothered. I'm not scared of anybody. I don't follow any party, nothing. Not at all. They blame Iraq, Saddam Hussein, then Gaddafi. There not a single trace of chemical weapon was seen. Their committee was next declared. But still he was killed, he was punished, he was hanged till death. They do what they want to do for their nation, for their building. There the Republican Party as the Democratic Party are together, hand in hand. They declare, we stand for democracy. Bastards, bloody. You help every communist country. You hate India, where there is democracy always. You fear Bangladesh and Pakistan, who have always the army rule. What big thing you are talking? We are for democracy. The biggest democracy is India, successfully going on for the last 75 years. You have always been against India. Now they are running after Cuba. They have taken Venezuela for the gold mines, not only for oil. Venezuela, millions of tons of gold are there. So this big dacoit is for that. Everybody is keeping quiet, every nation. But they do not understand, sabka number aayega. Mr. Kissinger had said a big sentence which I believe. If we have enmity with America, it is dangerous. Enemy of America is dangerous. But if we are friendly with America, it is fatal and definitely going to die. They hate India because India is standing on her own feet, progressing very rapidly, very sufficient, and basically not today, but from beginning. From beginning. They do not like that. This USA is robbing everybody. Why? Why Zangaraj? Why people are tolerating it? Because they have power to kill you. They have power to destroy you. Why it has not changed? Why it has not changed? Russia is their enemy. China is their enemy. They are also very stronger nations. Suppose now, whatever you are, an idiot, what is his name? Trump. He is not idiot, he is a big bastard. That Trump has done to Venezuela, if Putin does to Ukraine, he kidnaps that Zelensky bastard and brings him to Russia. And so what is USA going to do? Tit for tat, right? If India goes to Pakistan, understood, and does the same thing, Trump क्या उखड़ लेगा यार? But we are scared of him. And that scare is producing all the effects they want. First, stop being scared of anybody. If I am doing some fashion, I will not be scared of people. Our Sanatana Dharma is such that it gives me so many inherent values. I am again repeating. Our Sanatana Dharma, our Indian land, we own our mitti here, gives us such a quality which is inherent to us. By default, what you people call, by default, to sustain. To sustain whatever condition we are, to survive, to sustain, to survive. And at the same time, resilience. What is resilience? I'm bad. No. I just is it closer you are going, but I give you only 35 marks, passing marks, not full mark. Look into your friend, the only friend you people have today, ability to recover quickly. That is the resilience. This land of India, this Sanatana Dharma, just because you are born in this Dharma, in this land, you have this inherent capacity of resilience. What the damage that occurs to you, you are resilient. You can come out of it very properly and very rapidly. Why? I am not blaming any religion. I am not despising any religion. I respect every religion. But only this religion, Sanatana religion, Sanatana Dharma, has the divine feminine. Mother Grace. Nobody else has that. Which religion you take? I don't need to name it. Strong mother, fierceful mother. Look at Mahakali, dangerous, khatra. But if we look at her, she is my bodyguard. I imagine if she is walking behind you, who will dare to look at you also? That is her job. She really works like a bodyguard for her devotees. But only for those devotees, those who invoke her, pray to her, saying, "Oh Mother." The minute you call her Shakti, push, your fuse will be push. There will be short circuits everywhere. Don't dare to call her energy. Mahashakti nahi. Mahamata, Adi Mata, my mother Amba. So remember, if I am believing in my Bapu, Bapu being Bapu, whatever he is a demon, he is a spirit, he is a ghost, whether he is Daku, a dacoit, was in America, I can be, definitely. So, trying to tell you is, our land, our religion itself, they have this capacity to offer resilience. And this resilience is what I am sitting here to give all of you. This land and this dharma gives you resilience according to your prarabdha. How much you have earned in last birth. I am sitting here to give you mofat, out of proportion, unmerited. A man is to have resilience only 100 grams. I am ready to give you 1,000, lakhs, millions. क्योंकि मेरी बैंक कभी डूबती नहीं, मेरी बैंक कभी डूबती नहीं, क्योंकि मेरी बैंक अलग है. I tell you my story. I was in second MBBS. I was going for a party. I was at a hostel of mine, a medical college. And now that second term of my MD, second house. And ऐसा कपड़ा पूरा डाल के and this age you want to look smarter, smarter, smarter. I don't know what you call me, but I was that time very famous. Okay, hot. You mean? They used to call me Black Stallion. That also I will tell you. So thing is, with proper shirt and everything, I came out. And I had my bullet with me. I always love riding bullet. I was about riding and one bike came running, stop. I got scared. He's a call. I had to go back. No, he had come for some other work. So, to talk to him, I turned rapidly. And in that process, this part, lower buttons, they got stuck in the handle. And both three buttons, and I did not know how to stitch. I mean, 2-3 girls who were my friends, very close friends, they were not on the duty that time. Who do it for me? ऊपर के बटन है, नीचे के बटन है ही नहीं. अबे कैसा रहेगा यार? This is very stupid. I said, okay, modify the plan. Not change the plan of not going. So, मैंने क्या किया? ऊपर के बटन भी खोल दिए और गांठ मार दी. I tried the knot of my shirt. I was not ashamed to do that. फूटे हुए buttons को how to carry with grace can learn from me. Yes. Then I will call you my son, you are really my son, you are really my daughter. अरे किसी के लिए मेरे ऐसे शर्म करना ही नहीं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं बेशर्म बनो. I don't want you to become unethical, not at all, not by a bit even. But at the same time, don't be ashamed of nothing unnecessary. I danced that day also. I tell you real joke, huh? Yes, it's secret business. When we declared our marriage, our parent and my father was not very happy with me. So I had gone for one party. He came there to spy, police officer. That also the ACP. So he was in formal dress. I had seen hardly once. Obviously, I did not recognize him. I usually was dancing with my friends. Friends, you can please don't misunderstand. Dancing properly, singing, chanting. I never used to drink. I should always have plain soda. I preferred or lemon in my hand. If you take thumbs up and drink Pepsi, people might think, miss करके पी रहा है. So I don't want that because I cannot stand that smell, still. And my father-in-law watching for all 3.5 hours. He went home and he told my mother-in-law, तुला काय अक्कल आहे का? काय जावई आहे आपला? केवढ्या पोरीच्या बरोबर नाचत होता. आपल्या पोरीचं काय होणार? It's going to happen, Nanda. My mother-in-law said, so what? His mother was there, my grandmother-in-law. She said, Gajanan. His name was Gajan. गब्बस. तुला अभिमान वाटला पाहिजे जावई एवढा पॉप्युलर आहे. आणि असा जावई तुझ्या मुलीच्या प्रेमात पडलाय. So you should be proud. Okay. So त्यांनी सांगितलं मला अभिमान वाटतो. My father-in-law started shivering. If he does something wrong afterwards, don't worry. Such men do not do affairs. Those who are cowards, they go on doing affairs. My grandmother was very strong. So what I'm trying to tell you, all Gen Zs, I'm a Gen Z from beginning, born Gen Z. Okay? So I'm your friend. Those who are aborigines of my age, I'm of your age, aborigine. I am alpha, I am omega. I am with those who are alphas and free alphas. I am with those who are omegas and back omegas. Okay? So, what I'm trying to tell you, modify. I modified my father-in-law. I did not change him. Got it? I modified him. I did not change. I didn't want to change him. I modified him. He got modified. He fell in love with me totally. पंगत बोलते ना लाइन में बैठे खाना खाने के लिए वैसे बैठे थे आई वॉज अबाउट टू टेक माई फर्स्ट एंड वन 10-year-old boy is standing next to me and they are supposed to recite shlokas, right? He started saying Ravana Ravana Rajya Gambhir Kele Ravana Ravana Rajya Gambhir Kele Site Sari Ke Ratna Soroni Nele. They were calling me Ravan. Are above that, my father-in-law's friend was standing in front of me and he said, our name of our village is Methi because it was Mithila Nagari first. So he's telling me Mithila Nagari means she is Sita and you are Ravan. I say you have it now. I will modify the situation. There are people that Manda, what they call Puran Puri, Gacha, they put here and go on doing like that on Ulta Matka, they roasted or ordered do. It's very tasty. I know in Khandesh they pour ghee with such big spoons. One wati ghee on one panda. They thought ये बम्बई का है क्या खाएगा मुझे पता नहीं था लेकिन मैं पहले 2 रखे मैंने खाए फिर से 2 रखे मैंने खाए फिर से रखे मैंने खाए 6 हो गए जैसे now my mother-in-law was standing. Don't do like this. People don't have any manners. My son-in-law is very good. She used to always take my side. All mother-in-laws, they like their son-in-laws like anything. So she used to like me. But my father-in-laws बहुत पेटले रहते कुछ करना चाहिए कुछ करना ही है और मैं तो डिसाइड किया था मैं पेटता नहीं I am cool. I am cool. Always. At every level I am cool. Keep that in mind. My father-in-law came. माझ्याकडून एक तरी घ्या ना म्हणे जरूर एक वाढू का एक नको 2 वाढा he said he was standing there he thought that it is over now he thought that my eating speed will slow down now no I looked at him and said आप्पासाहेब मला अजून मांडे हवेत I want 2 more. He went, he said, never came back. He said, somebody with 2 mandas. I ate 16 mandas that day. I modified the situation. I understand how to modify. Don't try to change, try to modify. And my father-in-law loved me till his last breath. Honestly, tell me. If I had tried to change him, it would have been destroyed the relationship. I never tried to change him. A nice person, good human being. I tried to change the situation. Are you understanding? You keep that. Bapu is there to modify everything in my life. Whatever change I am trying to bring, he will not allow it to occur in any wrong, haphazard way. In a particular straight way, in the way that is going to help me, that is going to make me, that is going to things easier for me, comfortable for me. He's not going to make something or things difficult for me. So, I'm here to modify for evolution. How evolution takes place? By modifying, not by change. Evolution is always by modification. So today if you are deciding, this week you are deciding something, I want to do this, don't think of change. Change is the only constant. Now, if you have to then, if you go on the road of change, you have to change continuously, constantly, 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 constantly. It never ends. It's a never-ending story. So start with modification, modifying yourself, modifying the situations, and you will win because that is my rule. My rule is evolution, not revolution. My rule is not change. My rule is modification. Are you getting? Symbol, Matsya, a fish, transformed himself, modified himself into Kurma. Fish totally staying in water. Kurma staying half in water, half on the land. Right? Then shifted his form into Varaha, who is very happy with water, still totally on the land, eating what others will not think of eating, but that is needed to be eaten. Cleaning everything and giving most important fertilizers to the Mother Earth. Then he transformed himself into Nrsimha, lion, the fierce form which is required for throwing the ghosts out of our life, for killing our demons that are troubling us, burning the people, those who are doing black magic on him. His Narsya form is required. Like this. Don't dare come close him. Only Prahlad can reach him. When he, after drinking the water, the blood of Hiranyakashipu, the same avatar became still worse fear. So, fierce. Fear never fierce. And he could not be controlled. Mata Lakshmi also said, I am helpless. Devashi Narad could not go. And at that time, who went ahead was Bhakta Prahlad. With his open hands, saying, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. He started going. He wanted to kiss him. And what happened? Nrsimha melted. He did not change. He transformed himself. Bhakta Prahlad transformed him from fierce form to the very kind, gentle, mrudu form. Are you getting? This is what Swayam Bhagavan does. From Nrsimha, he became Vaman, who is short. A man who is short. Vaman, the meaning of the word Vaman is short man. We are all short in front of him. But same short person can become Trivikram, who is 3 feet and is able to cover all the Trailokyas. Yes. So we think we are Vamanas. We are short. We are small. But he can transform us into Trivikrama style. In a Trivikrama style. So huge. As much huge as possible. As much mighty, as much is required. As much strong, that is useful, not destructive. Then he becomes Parshuram. Evolution. A fierce form, very brave, and at the same time scaring people out to death. Yes. Everyone was scared of him. Shapadapi, Sharadapi. Same Parshuram becomes Ram. Very peaceful, very loving, very kind. Doesn't curse anybody. Even Manthara, he never cursed. Right? The same Ram becomes Krishna. Krishna tells Gita. Ramayana is nothing else but the practical of Gita. Right? See, I will tell you. Krishna's marga is bhakti yoga. You have to unite yourself with him. Ram's marga is bhakti marga. And you have to keep yourself distinct from him and love him, surrender to him. Ramasya dasosmya. उसका सखा बन के उसके दास बनना चाहिए. See, in Ramayana you will see Ram going everywhere. Ahalya, she had become a stone. Ram went to her. Tatika was troubling. Ram went to her to kill her. He went to Ahalya to make her alive again, bring her back to life. Then he went to Dandakaranya, where all the rishis were killed, their bones were lying. He went there to protect the remaining ones. Then he went himself to meet Jatayu, who was dying. He was a Geet vulture. Ram did not feel that he is untouchable. No. Ram took him into his arms, kissed him, seeing his situation and knowing, after knowing what he has done for him, he said, Tat, oh my father, oh dad, you have done so much for me. Both the wings were cut. His tears started coming and they dropped on his wounds. Jadayu's pain disappeared. Jadayu said, give me only one promise. I should be your bhakta every birth. He said, you will be. Now give me one boon. Ram is asking for boon from Jatayu. I will be doing your Uttar Kriya. Because I am so unlucky. I was not present for my father's Uttar Kriya. He goes to Jatayu for Uttar Kriya also. To meet Shabri, he goes on his own. Shabri doesn't come with invitation. Then he goes to meet Sugriva and Hanuman. He goes to Lanka to meet Ravan. He goes himself. And see Hamare Krishna Bhagavan. Rukmini has to send an old Brahmin with a letter. Please come and pick me up. He doesn't move. Kubja has to rush through the big crowd, and put garland in his neck, and then he did everything for her. Krishna, while fighting with Jarasandha and this thing, he ran away, Ranchodadashi. Right? Ram went to Lanka. That does not make Krishna small, please. I don't want to say that Krishna is bad and Ram is good. No. They are same, one only. But two aspects, different manifestations. One, two different ways, absolutely, of Adhyatma. One is Bhakti Yoga, one is Bhakti Marga. So Ram on his own goes and attends his meets and attends his devotees. Krishna makes them come. He says, Sarva Dharman Parityaja Mamekam Sharanam Braj. You have to leave all the speculations of your life and come to me. Ram says, Sakrudeva Prapannaya. Abham Sarva Bhutebhyo Dadamedam. This comparison does not mean Krishna is bad, does not mean Krishna is hard, Krishna is difficult at all. It is which path we want to change. We want to decide. We will choose the path which doesn't require change. We require a path which will not force us to change, will make us modify. Bhakti Marga is one which modifies us and asks for change. Remember, today, on Bhakti Marga, we sang this song, just on bhajan. We sang, no? क्या बोलते हैं मैं भूल गया अभी क्या तो साथ ना हो तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता साथ हो बिगड़ा भी बन जाता ओके सो रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज मॉडिफिकेशन कुछ भी हो सकता है यार कुछ भी अनेक कुछ भी आई माई प्रॉमिस दिस ईयर इज चेंज और नॉट फॉर चेंज 2016 I declare as a year of change. This is a year of modification. I am going to modify. I. Your mind is set, your chitta, your intellect, your reason, your working styles, everything. Whether you welcome it or not. Unless you tell me, stop, I will not stop. If you tell me stop, I will listen to your one word. I will not interfere. But if you really like me to interfere, I am going to intervene continuously every minute of your life to modify you. Those who are agreeing will do a bhajan with me. Okay, simple, small bhajan. One small bhajan, please, okay?
Yes.
Not much big, right? My bhajans are my style bhajan. यू तो हमने लाकसी देखे हैं, तुम सा नहीं देखा,
तुम सा नहीं देखा,
यूं
तो हमने लाकसी देखे, तुम सा नहीं देखा, ओ तुम सा नहीं देखा,
तुम सा नहीं देखा. Remember this much only. यूं तो हमने लाख हंसी देखे हैं, तुम सा नहीं देखा और ना देख सकोगे. Love you all. Love you. Love you.